Hello everyone, forgive me a little bit. I am from the other side of the world where it's nice and warm in Singapore, so the weather outside is a bit cold for me, so I did catch a bit of a cold, so apologies for that to begin with. My name is Shubhajit Mandal, I'm from Lumenlab. We are MetLife's innovation center based out of Singapore, and we are looking to do business model innovation in health, wealth, and retirement of the aging population. Here I am at Consensus 2017 to showcase our proof of concept mobile app that we built on Ethereum and our distributed ledger technology that we are working on for health and life insurance. So if we go to, let's see. There we go. The journey started back in August 2016 when we had this idea, and then we started going and meeting people with this idea: regulators, hospitals, clinics, central banks. Everybody loved our idea. However, we did not find anybody committing to the idea. They were all standing on the fence. And hence, at the end of last year, we decided why not we go and build a proof of concept mobile app so that we can showcase it to all the players involved. And we built that app and we designed it, and that's what I'm going to showcase to you here. The other main thing, which is the main theme of my presentation, is we need some help. So anybody and everybody who's out there watching us, please have a look, and I will be asking you for help at the end of this session. So this is the app. Scott, if you could help me play the app, and I will talk the audience through the app. So the app first asks for your identification. It could be a passport number. In Singapore context, there is a unique identifier, or in India, you have the digital identity. Then it goes ahead and sends you a one-time pass to confirm your identity before the app then starts pulling your electronic health records from the clinic that we would partner with. Again, this is a proof of concept. We haven't piloted anything. We are talking about hypothesis here. It will pull the records, it will show it to you, and if you say it is correct, that's when it fetches the electronic health records, underwrites you on the fly on your mobile phone. This takes care of all privacy concerns, gives you the business illustration, and then you make payment. Post this is a simple payment verification, and you must be wondering, where is the blockchain bit? The blockchain bit is coming. Just give me 10 seconds. Let me just go back to the piece on the privacy. Because everything is happening on the phone, the insurance company does not know anything about the customer's sensitive health records. This is the payment confirmation, and obviously before the insurance policy can be issued, we have to know who the beneficiary is, and we take the beneficiary details, the beneficiary's bank and bank account number, so that the payment can be made instantly, so claims are automatic and instant. And this is where the blockchain comes in. The insurance policy is deployed as a smart contract on Ethereum. And these are the details, and that's what we have built. Now, does that mean we have found an answer to everything? Because this is simple. It costs us only $20,000 to build. Actually not. It works great in a certain situations, and that's again our hypothesis. It works great when you're doing microinsurance. When I mean microinsurance, I'm talking insurance which are shorter term, like 6 months to 1 year of health insurance, or even small like travel insurance. It works great if someone is building a company ground up. So for example, in the insurtech industry, Lemonade is the most well-known insurtech startup, raised $100 million. If they were to do something in the health insurance and work to quickly pilot or test something, an app like this would be very helpful. And lastly, when you design something from a DLT perspective, you start thinking about the customer first. And what do I mean by that is, these are the customer needs. Forgive a bit of a typo, but the first customer need is identity protection. As you saw in the mobile app, the first step was the KYC bit, know your customer. And that in countries with a digital identity can be a simple API call. In countries where it's not a digital identity, we can pull it from the health records and confirm with the user. And the person who wants to buy insurance is the person buying insurance. That is ensured in the first step of the mobile app. The second bit is legal recourse for the customer. If the customer ever wants to go to court, how can they go to court? Today, yes, they can, but it's a bit of a messed up problem. But because it's on the DLT and the hash of the whole document stays on the DLT, they have a legal recourse at any time. Even if the insurance company closes shop, they have their mobile phone that actually stores that, and they can go to the legal court to do that. There is some issues with the hashing. Please don't take me wrong. Any comma here and there, the hash changes. But that is an issue we are looking into. But this brings the third bit, the transparency. The claims rules are part of the smart contract, which means at any time a customer can go and check. Will a normal consumer go and check the smart contract? No. But regulators, auditors, or anybody at any day can go and check our claims that we will pay claims if XYZ happens. That's codified as a part of that insurance policy, which is on the Ethereum network. Now, have we done something great and new? Not really. There are people who have done something before us. Etherisk, they were the ones who first did flight insurance on Ethereum. There are people who are looking at drought insurance in Africa on Ethereum. There are people like Status who are looking at doing something on mobile phone. What we have done unique is brought the LES protocol, which is a protocol in Ethereum that allows us to make the mobile phones a light client. And to all of those hearing me out there, a light client is more than a light node. A wallet is a light node. A light client allows you to deploy the account and the smart contract from the mobile phone. What this brings of a future where the mobile phone becomes a part of the network. They're not just a GUI anymore. They are actually part of the network. They are a light client. And going to the future, you wouldn't need an Ethereum server anymore. If they actually have this LES protocol where the light client is able to do everything, one can have a complete decentralized network, no requirement of a server, and run a business just based on mobile phones. I can hear skeptics thinking, a mobile phone cannot handle so many transactions. You're absolutely right. Mobile phones cannot handle 1 million transactions, but we are talking insurance. Singapore issues 500,000 insurance every year. One mobile phone can handle 500,000 transactions in 1 year. Okay, and that is for the full market. So I think that was the buzzer. I'll quickly move on. Again, have we figured out everything? No, this is where the help bit comes in. The LES protocol works beautifully on a public network. However, the public network has 800,000 nodes, blocks, and the customer cannot wait for all the blocks to get synced. When we deploy the same on a private network, the LES protocol does not work. There is a teeny tiny glitch somewhere at a protocol level. And Ethereum folks are busy in doing everything, and they have been trying to help us. However, they are resource constrained. At this point, I'm reaching out to anybody who's hearing us. If you know anyone who can have a look into that LES protocol and help us solve this, that's my contact details. Please introduce them to me. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can email it to me. We will obviously work with them. It will be a paid gig where that LES protocol, if fixed, can put Ethereum on every customer's hands. Customers wouldn't know, but Ethereum will be in every consumer's hands, and it could potentially change the world. All of this is a proof of concept, a hypothesis. However, the possibilities out there, we are exploring it, and whoever's listening, please come and help us if possible. Thank you.